10 painful truths of life. You know how you can hear something 100 different ways before it finally gets through to you? One, the average human life is relatively short. Live your life today. Be afraid of a life you never lived because you were too afraid to take action. 2. You live the life you create for yourself. Your life is yours alone. Others can try to persuade you, but they can't decide for you. 3. Being busy does not mean being productive. Busyness isn't a virtue, nor is it something to respect. Very few of us have a legitimate need to be busy all the time. 4. Some kind of failure always occurs before success. Most mistakes are unavoidable. Learn to forgive yourself. It's not a problem to make them. Learn from them. 5. Thinking and doing are two very different things. Success never comes to look for you while you wait around thinking about it. 6. You don't have to wait for an apology to forgive. Life gets much easier when you learn to accept all the apologies you never got. Be thankful for every experience, positive or negative. 7. Some people are simply the wrong match for you. You will only ever be as great as the people you surround yourself with. Be brave enough to let go of those who keep bringing you down. 8. It's not other people's job to love you, it's yours. It's important to be nice to others, but it's even more important to be nice to yourself. 9. What you own is not who you are. Stuff really is just stuff, and it has absolutely no bearing on who you are as a person. Most of us can make do with much less than we think we need. 10. Everything changes, every second. Embrace change and realize it happens for a reason. It won't always be obvious at first, but in the end it will be worth it.